listener, and welcome back to our English learning program, Smart Up Your Life, with me, Rifa Majid, as your host, and also with my lovely friends from BPEC Makassar. Hi!
Hi.
Okay, so happy to see you again, and we are having a good discussion, hopefully tonight. Yes, smart listener, and welcoming you to our conversation. I will invite you to join us on our WhatsApp 0811461011. And also you can join through our YouTube channel to our live streaming, and you can just write down your comment on our comment section, right? Uh, Smart listener, nowadays we are having current topic that related to the current situation right now in Indonesia. But before we introduce you to and we bring it to our topic, we'll how to say we will introduce the member of our friends tonight who are having a great discussion, hopefully, for tonight. And yes, we have Mr. Achang here as the president of BPEC Makassar.
Hi. Okay. So, actually, we are from BPC Makassar, and I'm gonna to explain a little bit about BPC itself. So, hello, smart listener. Okay. So, actually, BPC or Benteng Panynyua English Club is the oldest community in Makassar, especially learn about English. And yeah, we have activity every Sunday, and it is free. Even if you're young, adults, children, and etc., you can join with us in front of Muhammadiyah University of Makassar. Actually, almost people know this activity, lovely Sunday meeting or weekly Sunday meeting, and we have 5 items in here. First is who am I. Second is ice breaking. Third is the ND debating and discussion. Fourth is building skill, and the last announcement. So that's why, guys, if you wanna join with us, you can follow GBPC itself, or its namely is BPC Makassar, and yeah, you can gain more information for this social media. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the introduction, Mr. Achang. And beside Mr. Achang, we have Mr. Richard here. Hi.
Yeah, still
How are
alive.
you? Yeah.
Still alive.
Thank God.
Thank you.
So, Achang, how was your day?
It's very good, Kak.
And Richard?
Oh, I think it's very clear good.
Asik.
Oh, clearly good. And also we have Miss Dewi.
Hi.
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 So happy to see you again tonight. And
Yeah.
how was your day with your bright color?
Today I got enough sleep in the afternoon.
Oh.
Finally, after a long time ago, I didn't have a good sleep in the afternoon, and it impacts for my the next session. That was I did a sport, that is a workout at home. And before I left my home, I cooked for my daughters to make sure that they are getting full. Yeah. As I leave them maybe around 2 hours from now.
All right. So a good mother. So yeah, and also we have Miss Raswin.
Yeah, hello, smart
Last but not
listener.
least, how are you, Mr. Raswin?
I'm good. Thank you.
Okay, happy to see you again tonight. And yes, we are as the young generation, and also I'm sure that you are, every one of you, and every one of you smart listener having a social media, and you are native of social media user, right? So I'm going to ask you guys. I'm curious actually. How many times do you spend in a day to play or just scrolling out your Instagram or another social media? From Mr. Aswin first.
Okay, thank you. To be honest, yeah, actually, I'm always open my social media like Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, and so on. And yeah, actually, I'm very addict with this social media. If I don't open it, maybe I will lose some information. So because of that, yeah, actually I spend maybe 5 hours per day.
Oh, 5 hours in a day. So,
Yeah.
what about you, Mr. Achang?
Okay, so actually,
How many hours?
maybe eight until 10 hours, because yeah, I think social media is very important for me. The moment when I don't use, I think ada yang kurang. Yeah.
There is some miss.
That's a miss about how we can fulfill in my day. I think we really
so-
need social media.
Yeah. Richard, are you the social media person?
Oh, sometimes, but not every day. Yeah. Maybe if I'm on, on the university have a task, so I use social media every time because there's many information in there. So I need to find the information via social media because my major is English literature, so I need to read more news about English, like BBC or CNN, so I can make an essay from the news. Yeah, but if I have many tests, I need to self-reward. Self-reward.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes,
I need
yes.
to scroll social
To
media.
appreciate
Yeah,
yourself.
maybe for 15 minutes until 30 minutes. Yeah.
But mostly, how many hours in a day?
Well, I think maybe before until I sleep. Because sometimes we open the phone. I mean, we open the social media, but we don't count the times. Maybe we just count how many times we open it. Not,
So
I mean,
maybe it reach maybe around 2 hours or less than 2 hours.
maybe 3 hours.
Oh, three. Oh,
If we
yeah,
if
yeah.
we calculate it.
Yeah. More than 2 hours. It means 3 hours. Mr. Aswin 5 hours, 8 hours, and you 3 hours.
What a
OMG.
great day. Yeah?
So, Mrs. Dewi, as a housewife and a mother of 2 daughters, do you have time to play social media?
Oh, for sure. I cannot deny that I need it as my refreshment time, yeah. But same like others and like relate maybe to Aswin. I don't spend in hour or 2 hour every one times I check out my social media, but maybe it takes about 20 minutes or 15 minutes in then we can calculate to around 4 or 5 hours. That will be the most, the more I mean, because normally also I'm not there will be a time I spend my my day I don't touch my phone. I mean, there will be an urgent situation, especially because I'm a mother and I have to do some things. Maybe I have to be on the road, and of course maybe with my husband or my family, and that's why I have no time for checking out my support. Even though not only for a social media, but also for personal chat. Unless for urgent, then my family or my siblings could probably call me directly, because I'm not a typical that because I'm no longer young, even though I'm look young forever, 20 years old.
But if you calculate it,
Yeah.
the time that you spend to
Maximum 4 hours.
okay,
Yep.
4 hours.
Yeah, 4 hours.
To spend
In a day.
scrolling around
Yep.
the social media feed.
Yep.
Yes, all right. But with the time that you spend to play and to use your social media, are you yes, name it. You are the netizen of Indonesia, right?
Yeah.
You are the user of social media. It's when you are the netizen, and me too. But are you the one who have the power on social media? and how much the power. I don't know. Do you or are you the netizen who has the who has the power in social media? Yes or no? I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong.
You have a lot of time on social media.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so actually,
Are you the powerful netizen or not?
okay?
One of the powerful or not?
For me, actually, I think I have a power for social media itself because sometimes I follow to like a petisi or something like that.
Petition.
A petition, yeah, to like if this not relate what the interest from the society, of course I will tanda tangan, how to say,
Sign.
yeah,
Sign.
signs this petisi, which one we know that this petisi it's really giving a more impact, like it really giving mempengaruhi
Effect.
effect for the regulation for the government itself, right? And that is why I think, yeah, I have a power to change about the regulation if this not if this is not relate what the interest from the society.
Oh.
Okay.
All right. But do you think the Indonesian netizens already have their power in this digital year or what?
So actually, for me, if we talk about netizen in Indonesia, I think, yeah, we know that in Indonesia it's very have a lot of people, especially in the young. Even according to data, young from Indonesia, yang paling banyak, it's very
Yeah, the
biggest.
most.
The most young,
The most powerful.
The most powerful.
The most powerful netizen in the world.
Yeah.
So
The most barbar, yeah? No, yeah?
yeah,
and to know how powerful the netizen of our nation, Indonesia, including us as the user of social media, we are going to have a conversation about this topic, the power of netizen. What the netizen can do with their power, with their ability to play social media and to make a content, to create a content. Well, we will talk about this after the break, so don't go anywhere.